How to find your forgotten Gmail password on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your forgotten Gmail password on your iPhone. So make sure to watch till the end before you go resetting anything. Let's jump in. Swipe down on your home screen to bring up search, then type in passwords. And tap the suggestion that pops up. Now you'll be asked to use Face ID or your passcode to get in. Go ahead and do that. Once you're in, tap the search bar at the top and type in Google or Gmail. You should see a list of saved accounts. Just tap on the one you're looking for. If it's been saved, you'll see the email and a hidden password field. Tap on password and it'll reveal your saved Gmail password. And that's how you can quickly find your forgotten Gmail password on your iPhone. If this helped you out, give it a like and consider subscribing for more iPhone tips like this. See you in the next one.